the money. I'm killing the beat and I'm giving them heat. Baby, I see something meaningful for your back. You're my sexy rose. My Asheriko. Hebron Kinyoda.
Excellent. Royal Media Services.
Hebron Kinyoda.
Oh, so love you wash. You like it, Versace. Baby, Natch. Me and you, we wear too much.
There you go. Thank you so much. All right. Thank you so much. Tim Citizen, thank you so much.
Now we have one winner per category, but I think all finalists are winners. Because by the time you wade through, the judges didn't tell us, by the time you wade through more than 800 applications and give us a list of less than 20, that is a big job.
When change is happening, the place for the journalists is to adopt. And it is Charles Darwin who tells us that because change must happen, it is only those who adopt that shall survive.
So you all remain a cornerstone of our democracy and development, and let their words won here tonight celebrate excellence, but also ignite a renewed commitment to truth, responsibility, and innovation. Thank you all for all the work you are doing, and I welcome you to partner with us in promoting Magical Kenya, the origin of wonder. Congratulations to all the winners once again. Thank you, and God bless you.